Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of this power strip that I got off of Amazon. So I just recently bought an Anchor power strip and I was very disappointed and I actually sent it back. So I got this one for 20 bucks. It's power strip NUESTSA surge protector with 12 outlets and 4 USB ports, 6 feet long. It's got pretty good reviews, 1,237, pretty positive. Okay, so cut your seals. Let's open it up. The Anchor one was definitely a lot bigger. All right, again, that's a 6-foot cord, 3-prong. I like that it's angled. I only buy angled plugs now. Let's check, there's the switch. So yeah, that's a nice steady switch. I like that it's got on and off. You'd be surprised the power strips, you're like, which way's on? So there's on, there's off. So the switch is sort of hidden. You're not gonna, you may accidentally hit it, but it's nothing like that Anchor one was. Got some space between these two. 4 USB ports, 5 volts, 2.4 amps. So I'm sure that's for all of them. Not each one has 2.4 amps, but we'll check. So the power cord's got this nice Velcro strap that's attached and stays attached to one. That's nice. It does come with an instruction manual. So let's plug it in and see how it plugs in. Again, I love that it's 90 degree. Very, very, very close to the wall. So when you plug this in, it's only going to stick out 3/4 of an inch. Very nice. And it's angled. That's the other thing I really like. So I can still plug something in this. If it was 90 degrees here, I wouldn't be able to plug something in here. Very, very nice. Got 2 LED lights. So yeah, I like those little blue lights. Those are pretty nice. Okay, so let's see how the plug-ins. So they feel really solid. That's good. Let's check. So again, this thing takes up a small footprint. About 11.25 inches. Almost 4 inches wide and about 3/4 inch thick. On the back side, it does give you 2 places to put a screw and then you can mount it. So just 2 places. Again, the cord seems really nice. Let's check the USB ports. Yeah, they feel nice. Nice and secure. Everything, something plugs in there really easy. So again, this is a surge protector. So when it senses a surge, it'll pop that and you just reset it. Turn it on and the switch should stay in the reset position because when you go to off, it'll go to off. And then you've got grounded and protected. Okay, so I've got this little USB charger dock. It tells you what the amperage is and the volts. So it's 5.3 volts. I'm charging up this light, which is pretty much dead, but it's only putting out 1.03 amps. So maybe the light won't take more, but. So I plugged my Samsung tablet into it and it did go up to 1.83 amps. So it must have a lot to do whether it's going to pull 2.4 amps out of here about the device. So in the instructions, it says the 4 USB have a total output of 5 volts, 3.4 amps. So 2,700 joules of surge protection. So pretty basic. It's rated at 15 amps, 125 volts AC, 1,875 watts. Again, this is the model PS951B. 20 bucks off of Amazon. Again, I'll put a link to it in the show description notes. If you see my one from Anchor, I was very disappointed in it and sent it back. This one seems like a pretty solid power strip with lots of plug-ins, and I like the 4 USB plugs. So thanks everybody for watching, and if you could, please like and subscribe.